Welcome back to Lady p.Naija TV. So guys, today I am going to be preparing Ogbono soup. First in here, I have my vegetable leaf. This is my Ogbono. So this is my crayfish powder. This is my dried fish. I dry it myself. So in here I have my Maggi cube. This is my okra. So that's my palm oil. This is my pot of meat. In here I have some shaki, momo, cow leg, stockfish, beef. That's what I have inside this pot. Okay guys, so this is what I'm going to be using for my Ogbono soup. Stay tuned guys and enjoy while I start to prepare. I love you all. So now I will be adding my palm oil into the pot. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So this is my Ogbono. I will be mixing it inside this palm oil. Okay. I will just be stirring it. So now I'm going to add my meat at the same time. I will be putting the water too, okay? So do you see it? So I'm going to add the crayfish powder. So now I will be adding my okra. So now I will be adding my Maggi cube, okay? So now I will add my spinach. This Ogbono no dey draw at all. Oh my god. Ogbono wey dey buy for Africa shop. Not be like the one that they bring for Naija direct. Anyway, go manager. So now I'm mixing my vegetable. It's almost ready, guys. No say Ogbono no get body to take done. So I don't need to add the salt again because I use salt to boil my meat, so I don't need salt again. Now I will be adding my dried fish. My soup is ready, guys. 5 minutes time, I will be taking it down. Yummy. So guys, I am done with my ogbono soup. This is the outcome. It's so yummy and delicious, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for me. Also like my video, turn the bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, I love you all so much.